we made it to Ferncliff Forest, and this is the lean-to to have if you ever come up that way. This will be the second time I'm camping here. I stayed here once previous on a New England bike tour. If you flip back through the videos, you might be able to find it. I don't know, it's from the New England days, but anyway, riding solo now, and yeah, just really coming down. Not a soul here, just me tonight. I'd love to get a fire going, but it's just probably not going to happen unless I find something underneath the shelter, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm also drinking out of the pond tonight, which is not my favorite thing, but it'll work out. I'm sure I'll be woohoo. Yeah, I gotta figure out the water situation. Bummer. Great to be here. 81 miles today. Not really sure where I'm heading, but I'll figure that out tonight. It's a big question mark for tomorrow, but awesome dry place to camp. Just not in that area right there, but yeah, excellent. It's gonna be great sleep tonight, and had a great day today. Awesome day riding up through New York. It's just some really beautiful countryside, and I hit a lot of bike routes. Bike route 209, bike route 32, and then I was on the Empire State Trail for a while, as well as the Wallkill River Trail from Rosendale to Kingston. That was really cool. Got to go over the Rosendale Trestle, and I don't know, I didn't really talk to too many people out there. There are definitely some cyclists passing me on the bike routes and stuff. I mean, I don't know, some minimal conversations with those folks, but anyway, here we are, day one. Got some nasty frog water. I don't know, man. Got some floaters in there. Gonna have to roll the dice on this one, but it's like frogs jumping in there. There's like dead fish laying over there. I'm gonna give it a shot because it's the only option I have. There is like a broken well over there. Maybe I'll filter it and then like boil it anyway. Wait till it cools and then pour it into a bottle. But I'm gonna grab some water in the morning at a convenience store and go from there, I guess. I don't know. This is pretty nasty stuff, but making it happen. I don't know. The Sawyer filter's backed up. I didn't flush it out, and I didn't test it before I went, so I think my Sawyer is done for the trip. So I don't know. I might have to buy water or swing by Walmart and pick up a new Sawyer. But anyway, tonight is let's see, farts with fart sauce. And oh, cheesy Italian style fart sauce and beef fart. I love that. I always like to start off a bike tour the first night anyways with one of these son of a bitch freeze-dried meals. I seem to have an overabundance of them. I think my brother went on a backpacking trip and didn't eat all of his, or he bought too many or something like that, so there was like 4 or 5. I've actually grabbed 4 for like 4 nights. I don't know. I'm just eating them up. I'm just eating them, and the lasagna is really the only one I can tolerate anymore at this point. But you know, you're kind of asking for it. So anyway, got my water boiling because the Sawyer's junk. Great spot. Wow. What a great spot. Feeling pretty rough today, everybody. Although I had a shelter, those skeeters kept me up all night. And yeah, I think I gotta grab some bug spray, some water. So I'm gonna hit a gas station here and get this day on the road. I love coming up here. Yeah, Red Hook, New York. Random gas station stop. I guess not random, I was specifically coming for coffee and water as well. It's a beautiful day here in the Hudson Valley. Actually cutting away from the Hudson. Just bumped into Paul Rude. I'll say thanks for the info, man, and hopefully I see you up here next time. But on my way to Millerton, where I could pick up the Harlem Valley Rail Trail. And both those guys, Paul Rude and his friend, said it was a really nice trail north of there. But I think I'm gonna try to touch that corner in Massachusetts and go from there. Bumped into a guy here at the gas station. I'm in Millerton, New York, right on the border of Millerton and Connecticut. Massachusetts isn't too far up. I'm gonna get on the Harlem Valley Rail Trail from here, but yeah, anyway, I was talking to this guy. He ended up buying me a lottery ticket, and we'll see what I could do here. I'm not one for really playing the lottery, but give it a shot. Harlem Valley Rail Trail, everybody. It's paved. Super nice, really beautiful in this area. I always enjoy bike touring in New York. It's just like really easy to bike tour. Every road you need to take ends up being a bike route anyway. And just having a really great time here. So I'm like really close to Connecticut and Massachusetts. And the goal today would be to hit Mass. And I don't know, we'll kind of go from there. It's a really nice trail. One of those guys I bumped into today told me that this trail sucked and to not do it because it's really boring, but I would completely disagree. This is really nice. It passes through a lot of wetlands. There's a lot of bridges, a lot of turtles, a lot of birds. Pretty scenic. I don't know. I'd kind of highly recommend getting up here and riding this trail. It's really awesome. I might try to, on my way back, loop back and grab the trail in Millerton and ride the rest of the trail south to Passaic. I don't know though. I might be heading for New York City here shortly. Not really sure. I'm just kind of winging this trip, which is a lot of fun. You know, everything's been working out, meeting a lot of really nice people, and staying with it. You run into these tight corridors with like tons of shade, but out in the sun it is pretty hot and very, very humid up here. But things are working out. No sign for Massachusetts yet. There might be one around the corner or so, but anyway, officially in Mass on my first Massachusetts bike tour. However, I did ride to the top of Mount Greylock a couple of years ago, but very cool. Appalachian Trail is on the other side of that mountain, I know that. And back on the road.